Hey busy crafters, today we are making a DIY bird's nest spring decor. I got those at the Dollar Tree. They look like bottle caps or bottle tops, and I'm going to be painting them with my apple barrel Nutmeg Brown, and I got that at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead, I think I put 4 coats on there, and it turned out really nice, so I was happy with that. Now that it's dry and all the 4 coats are on there, we're going to go ahead and Mod Podge it. Because it's metal and paint, it can scratch. So there we go, Mod Podge it. I think I put 2 coats of Mod Podge on there. Now that the Mod Podge is all dried, I'm going to hot glue down the thing that I thought looked like a bird's nest more than anything. And it's the Grapevine Wreaths that I got during the Christmas season at Hobby Lobby. So I'm just making sure it's all there. The grapevine is kind of off, it's kind of warped, so it didn't really glue all the way down. I'm now going to be hot gluing some Spanish moss that I got from Walmart last year for another project. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little hole in, because that bird up there, we're going to be painting that bird, and we're going to be adding that pretty bird to it. So there's the finished project for the nest. Now I got these birds at Hobby Lobby this season in their spring shop section, and I bought a few of them because we're going to be doing some more projects with these birds. Now for this bird, I have used the Apple Barrel Cameo Pink, and that's what the main body of this bird is going to be. I put 3 coats, I believe, on that bird, and it turned out really cute. It came out better than I expected it, actually. Okay, so now I mixed some of my Apple Barrel Cameo Pink with some of my Apple Barrel Black, and I got this darker gray color. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the feathers of the wings and the tail with this color. And then I go ahead and go back with it with some of the black, and I just do a light brushing on the edge of all of the tail feathers and the feathers of the wings, just to give it a little bit more depth. Hey guys, so if you're liking this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Help my channel grow. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead and outlining her eyes in black. And I think I put on her eyeliner just a little too thick. So after everything is all said and done, I went back over with the Cameo Pink and gave it a little softer on the eyeliner, so then that way, she turned out really pretty. So I'm now going ahead and just lightly brushing in between the flowers that are on her chest and everything to get really into the cracks. I want this project to look higher end, So I'm making sure that all the details are done. I ended up going back over when I accidentally touched the pink part with the gray, and I went in with a smaller brush and fixed all the imperfections. Here I am, I'm painting her eyes with my Apple Barrel Pool Blue acrylic paint that I also got from Walmart. And at first I thought maybe I went a little too heavy on the blue, but then it turned out really nice because once again I had to go in there and fix my mistakes. Now I'm just going ahead and putting in her pupils, and nope, I'm not. I'm actually doing the wings. My bad. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and using some of my Apple Barrel Nutmeg Brown acrylic paint for the center of the sunflower that is on her chest. And then for the sunflower itself, I used Apple Barrel acrylic paint in bright yellow. And I used that for both of the sunflowers because she has an open front sunflower and then a closed sunflower on her chest. And then for the leaves, I used my Apple Barrel acrylic paint in New Shamrock. I got all these paints at Walmart. They're the little 2 fluid ounce ones for 59 cents, I believe that they are now. And so we're going ahead and, yeah, we're just painting a lot. This project had a lot of painting involved, which is pretty fun because I really enjoy painting as well. I would eventually like to learn how to paint canvas and stuff like that. So there she is. So now we're going on to the second bird. And for the second bird, I painted the main body in Apple Barrel Lavender Sachet paint, also from Walmart. And I paid 59 cents for these small bottles of paint. I also put 3 coats of this paint on the bird, and it turned out really good. I really enjoyed the way that these projects, turned out. It was not too shabby. Okay, so we're going to finish up this bird. I didn't leave me painting the entire bird in the video. So there she is at the end product. Her sunflowers had, as well as the Apple Barrel acrylic paint in bright yellow, and then I also added for both her flower and the middle section of the other bird in Tropic Orange from Apple Barrel that I also got from Walmart. To do her tail feathers and her wings, I also mixed a little bit of black with the acrylic paint in Velvet Crush, also from Apple Barrel. I used a lot of paint in this. So now we're going to go ahead and get to decorate the birds. Those flowers I got from my aunt, who recently just gave me a lot of her crafting stuff. Thank you, Aunt Onia. And the little pearls, too, I also got from my aunt. Then I go ahead and decide, that we need some insects on birds. I didn't realize that I'm putting insects on the bird until after it was done, but it did turn out cute. These insects are very brave. They're little troopers. So I went and got the ladybugs that I'm about to show you from Hobby Lobby in their spring section this year. They're little stickers, and I ended up gluing them on as well because I don't want them to fall off. So one bird got 2 of the ladybugs, and then the other, there they are. And then the other bird got 2 of these bumblebees, also from Hobby Lobby in the spring section. They were 40% off, so I got a pretty good deal on them. So this is the bird that gets the ladybugs. Turned out cute. And then this is the bird that gets the bumblebees. They were, I believe, $1.99 with 40% off. And I go ahead and glue them on there because, always need to make sure that your projects stay, and that ends up good. And there she is. So now we have the end product, these 2 birds. Thank you guys so much for watching. You come back now.